All right. Hello and good morning. Happy Monday, Mavericks. As I mentioned last week, I will not be here with you today. However, we have some wonderful people from the school signing into the Zoom, making sure you're here and marking you present for today. As promised for language arts today, I am giving you the full 40 minutes to dive into your chapters 9 and 10, Boy of the Painted Cave, comprehension companion. As always, if you need anything, if you have questions, drop me a line right there at kylecease@sccs.net, and I will be sure to get back to you right away. All right, let's go ahead and refresh and review our learning goals for this project. Learning goal. I will be able to reflect on the portion of the text I have just read and practice my reading comprehension skills. We read chapter 9 together on Thursday before you went off to read chapter 10 alone and start this process. Our success criteria. I know I've got it when I can. Carefully read the chapters in Boy of the Painted Cave associated with this slide presentation, 9 and 10. Reflect on the section I have read by answering the reading comprehension prompts in the following slides. The topics may include main idea, vocabulary sequencing, character analysis, text-to-self connections, comprehension and analysis, and lastly, figurative language. Okay. Your warm-up question, I'm going to go over that. I want to say that we reviewed this entire slide together on Thursday. So if you're set and you want to press pause and you want to go and just get to work, you are free to go do that. However, if you want a refresher of what was in the slides, or if you later want to come back and see the instructions, go ahead and stick around. I'm going to roll over the rest of the slides right now. If you're leaving, can't wait to check in with you tomorrow. If you're staying, let's keep going. Warm-up question. What is your favorite animal? Why do you like it? Multiple choice here. Please highlight the correct answer. How long has it been since Tao has seen woolly mammoths? And second question, what is Saxon? What type of animal is he? 6, sequencing. We're continuing to think about chronological order. Please put the following statements in chronological order using the numbers 1 through 5. Remember, placing 1 in the event that happened first in the text, and then 2, 3, and 4, and 5 subsequently, 5 being the furthest along. Remember, these are happening just from chapters 9 and 10. 7, similes. Our first week, really diving into analyzing similes. So a simile is a comparison between two things using like or as to compare them. Highlight the two things being compared and underline the like or as that was used to make the comparison. In class, we did the first one together, so I'm going to leave this up there. First one says, he saw noisy flocks of dusty brown linnets fly over the meadows, settling at times to rest and feed, then rise up again like a tawny cloud. So the two things being compared here, dusty brown linnets, right? It is a type of bird. And he's comparing them using like that we've underlined to a tawny cloud, right? Like a big burly cloud, maybe a smoke cloud, maybe just a big gray dark cloud, comparing the birds. Okay. The second one, a huge cow loomed up over him, standing like a dark shadow. Do your best to highlight both things being compared and then underline the like in the sentence. Do your best. If you're troubling with this, don't stress. We'll check in about this. This is our first week really diving into these. Some short answer questions. The first one, why do you think Graybeard agrees to teach Tao to draw and paint, even though it is risky? For the longest time, Graybeard was pushing Tao away from painting, pushing him away from making images. Slowly but surely, we're seeing now Graybeard is agreeing to take him under his wing as an apprentice and teach him. This is all about why you think he is doing this. So, Graybeard agrees to teach Tao to paint because. What do you think? About 2 or 3 sentences there. Second short answer question. In chapter 9, we learn that the clan uses Saxon, right? So how do the clans use Saxon? You're going to need to dive back into chapter 9 and find out specifically what is Saxon's role for the clan. Maybe even just a hint, He's some type of judge of sorts. Clan uses Saxon as a blank. Fill in the blank, add text evidence if you can find it. Uh, Third and final short answer. How would you summarize Tao's adventure with the woolly mammoths? That was an exciting time indeed, and luckily both Tao and Ram, as we know, made it out of that situation. Describe it in your own words. Tao's adventure with the woolly mammoths begins when he, you tell me. Go back, reread that section, paraphrase it for us. We roll into our vocab practice. We see 3 words this week we are focusing on. The first one is keen. The second one is bellowing. And the third word is disheveled. Add the dictionary definition, the chart, and add an image from Google. Or, as I continue to say, if the images are frustrating for you, or if you want to just complete it in another way, you can write a showing sentence. Second to last slide, we have vocab practice. Place our 3 words, keen, bellowing, disheveled, into these 3 sentences. Each word will be used only once. And last but not least, thinking of woolly mammoths, write adjectives or phrases to describe what the experience of seeing woolly mammoths might be like. We get a glimpse into what that would be like from Tao in chapter 10. So you have 4 spots here in the type here. So seeing woolly mammoths, what would it be like? Think of some adjectives. Would it be terrifying? Would it be exciting? Would it be jaw-dropping? Describe it in your own words based off of what you know to be true here. All right, you have all of language arts period today to complete this. Get it done before class tomorrow. But if there's something that's troubling you, either drop me a line to my email or skip it, turn it in as is, and at the beginning of class, we will do a check-in to get everyone up to speed. As always, I'm incredibly proud of you, your perseverance, your ability to be responsible for being here, and just the integrity to own your work, own your education. What a gift it is to be your teacher. I look forward to checking in tomorrow. And as always, enjoy the wonderful world of words. All right, see you soon, Mavericks.